Hello and welcome to all. In this video session, we will learn about ME2K transaction code or purchasing documents per account assignment report in SAP. But before we start, if you are not yet subscribed to our My Support Solutions YouTube channel, then click on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates after every new video upload. This is totally free. If you like this video, then please click on the like button. Also, you can share our video. Now we'll start the topic. So first we'll take example and then we'll do practical. Let's say our company is ABC Limited. We have two plants, 1000 and 1001. These are our plant codes, and also we have two cost centers, 1000 and 1002. Now we have created different purchasing documents like purchase orders, scheduling agreements, contracts. Our requirements. First is we want to generate a report for all purchasing documents like purchase order, scheduling agreement, contracts that are created for cost center 1000 and plant 1000. Second requirement is we want to generate only purchase order reports with order quantity of 10 each created for cost center 1000 and plant 1000. And third, we want to generate all purchasing document reports for order unit is ST, set, kg and piece. So these are our three requirements. Now we'll do practical and we'll use a transaction code ME2K. Okay. So right now we are in the ME2K transaction code itself. So with reference to our first requirement, we want to generate a report for all purchasing documents that are created for cost center 1000 and plant 1000. So here we will give our cost center 1000, our plant 1000, and now as we require to generate a report for all purchasing documents, we will click on this choose button and then we'll select purchasing the order, contract and scheduling agreement. Then click on the continue and then execute. So see, this is a scheduling agreement, purchasing documents for cost center, scheduling agreement, purchase order and contracts also will appear if we have created any contract. So this is a contract. Okay, if we can double click also on the line item to display the contract. Display, this is a contract created. Likewise, we can also display our scheduling agreement or PO. This is display scheduling agreement which we have already created. So this was our first requirement. Now second is we want to generate only purchase order reports, not scheduling agreement or contracts, with order quantity 10 each created for cost center 1000 and plant 1000. So we'll take back 1000 cost center, then click on the execute. Cost center 1000. Requirement is order quantity 10 each. We want to generate a report only for purchase order with order quantity 10 each. So click on this dynamic selection, purchasing document item. Here we will select order quantity as well as order unit both. Click on the copy selected, then in order quantity give 10 and order unit give as each. We'll discontinue this first. Now click on the execute. So there are only 2 purchase orders for each. which have quantity 10. So this is our second requirement, that we want to generate only purchase orders report with order quantity 10 each for cost center 1000 and plant 1000. So this is our requirement. This is our cost center and this is our required quantity, and this is our plant 1000. So this was our second requirement. Now third requirement is we want to generate all purchase order report, that is purchase orders, scheduling agreement, contracts for order unit is ST, that is set, kg and pieces. So for this, take back, cost center is 1000, click on the choose, activate contract also. Now here select on dynamic selection or click on the dynamic selections. Purchasing document item. Here select order unit. Our requirement is we want to generate all purchasing document reports with order unit ST, kg and piece. Okay, so click on the multiple selection, ST, kg and piece. Click on the copy, execute. Okay, now see all the documents including scheduling agreement, contracts and purchase orders which have order unit as kg, ST and pieces. So ST and kg, now we'll find for pieces. So this is the pieces. Okay, so this is our third requirement, that is generate all purchasing documents report for order unit is ST, kg and piece. So this is how we can use the ME2K transaction code, which we can use for purchasing documents per account assignment. Here we have used cost center. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch and bye bye.